unang hirit, unang hirit.
Boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, ba-dum, boom.
Mare, due to insistent public demand, ito na, Mad Science ulit tayo.
Yung mga nabitin dati, meron pa kami mga karagdagang experiments sa ibibida sa inyo. Care of Protein, People, and Ketone KN. Good morning,
Good morning. Naku, yung mga bata nag-aabang na. Ano experiment natin today? Experiment number 1.
So, ang una nating experiment ay tinatawag natin color burst. So,
Alright.
dito sa color burst, kailangan natin ng gatas na ilalagay natin sa mga plato. Tapos,
Hindi ko nahalata, may gatas na pala. Okay.
Tapos maglalagay tayo ng isang drop ng food color sa taas nung gatas.
Okay, any
So,
color.
any
color.
Ay, marami kami ganyan sa bahay. So
red,
finally, magagamit ko na siya.
Saka lagyan natin ng
Yellow.
Yan. Tapos, pagkatapos nito, meron tayong mga cotton buds na didip natin sa soap or yan, detergent. Tapos, gagawin natin, pag dinip natin yan, magkakaroon ng color burst na tawag natin. So, yan ay dahil sa surface tension. So, sa surface tension, dahil sa property ng gatas na cohesive siya, dahil sa cohesive yung molecules niya, itong detergent naman, itong soap ay dispersant. Since dispersant siya, nagdi-disperse yung molecules ng gatas, and in turn, yung food color, nagdi-disperse siya at nagagawa siya ng bursts.
So, nag-move siya. Parang nagkakaroon ng movement tuloy. That's why it disperses it.
Tapos you can even drop.
Drop ng drop. Parang pa-iba-ibang direction niya.
Oh, how cute. Parang tie-dye pero nasa gatas at nasa
Correct.
exactly.
Huwag lang pa-inumin mo ning
Wag na, wag na. Alright, thank you so much for that. That's lovely. Ikaw naman, Mare, anong experiment dyan? Ketone KN.
Yes. Ano experiment natin today?
Experiment naman, ito yung tinatawag nating color puff.
Okay.
So, ang ginagawa naman dito, meron tayong ipe-prepare na chemicals. So, medyo may mga chemicals tayong kailangan. First, we need water. So, water. Put lang natin ng konting amount of water. And then, we also have hydrogen peroxide.
Okay.
So, we're going to add this hydrogen peroxide. And dahil isa siyang color puff, we're going to add food color as well.
Puro tayo kulay today.
Yes. Colorful. Colors of summer. Yan. Sinakalat lang natin.
O, mga bata,
And
huwag
then,
gagawin ito sa bahay.
Yes.
Without supervision.
And then, we'll add some soap. Ayan.
Ang bidang ingredients natin, color and soap, no?
Yes. Ayan. So, after that, can we move that there? Ayan. So, protein people, would you do the honors?
Kailangan may ganyan
So,
pa
tayo na.
talaga.
Safety goggles.
Warning lang?
Yes,
Ba to?
we just need to wear safety goggles kasi we're dealing with chemical.
At dahil tatlo lang ang goggles nyo, tatabi na muna ako.
So, ayan.
Damit pa namin kailangan palitan. Ano ba to?
Hindi naman. So, you want to do it?
Yeah, go ahead.
So, ito, meron pa tayong prepared dito na potassium iodide naman. This is a catalyst. Yung catalyst naman, i-add natin dito. Tapos, we step back kasi magkakaroon siya ng big color puff.
Natakot ako bigla. Matras na, no? Bago na nangyayari.
So,
okay, sige.
ingat lang. Okay, ready? Just pour it all in. Ready, set, and go! And move back. It's okay.
Ang galing! Parang cotton candy.
Ayan, kung mapapansin mo, di ba?
Dahil-
Merong usok.
Mainit,
Ayan,
mainit ba yan?
Yes, it's
You
very
cannot
hot.
touch.
Oh yeah, it is hot.
It is hot. It's called an exothermic reaction and we cannot touch the
We
bubbles.
cannot touch.
Okay, pero yung bango niya, parang pangong sabon
So,
talaga.
yes.
Parang nasa shampoo.
Ayun.
So ano yung ending nito? It's just gonna dissipate into nothing?
Yes. Kasi bubbles lang siya.
Talaga kayo, isa siya mawawala. Ang galing, ha?
Pero actually nakaka-attract siya. So I'm sure lagi yung sinasabi sa mga bata, don't come near us
Yes,
kasi
yes.
grabe yung kulay niya eh.
Tsaka parang hawakan mo rito. I mean, just feel it. It's talagang, it's really hot.
It's hot.
O, mga
Parang
bata.
hot ng summer.
Oo, wag hindi ito cotton candy. Huwag kang kainin
Parang
to.
noontime lang. Well, thank you so much, Protein People and
Thank
Tito
you.
Kian,
Thank
for always
you.
being here kasi marami mga bata ngayon na nanonood na-amaze tuloy at nagiging interested sa science because of math
Yes.
science.
So, pagbalik ng pasukan,
Yes.
siguro magiging #1 na sila sa science sa school. Why not? So, again, thank you. Thank you, guys. Alright, babalik po agad ang unang hirit.